This is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Before going to see this, we have to know about the prime numbers. Okay, what is prime numbers? See, what is prime numbers? See, prime numbers is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, 1 and itself. See, we will take, we know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, sorry, not 9, 7 and 11, 13, 17 and 19, etc. Okay, see here, we didn't take 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, neither prime nor composite. It's not a prime number, it's not a composite number. Okay, it's not a prime number, it's not a composite number. See, you may have the question is 1 is prime number? Is 1 is prime number? It's 1 is not a prime number, so no. Your answer should be no. Maybe you may have like this: if 1 is composite number, for that also no, because it's neither prime nor composite. No prime, no composite. Okay. Okay. See here. So we didn't take 1. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime numbers. Okay. Okay. Now we will go for the fundamental theorem. See, every natural number except 1 can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors are written. Okay, see here, every natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, everything except 1. So we should leave 1. Except 1 can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. Okay, we can factorize every natural numbers by using the prime numbers. Okay, and this factorization is unique, so that factorization definitely it's unique. We will get in one way only, except for the order in which the prime factors are written. Okay, we will definitely get the prime factors for every natural numbers. The only one thing, the written order only will differ. Okay, see, maybe we will write the 3 next 2 next 5 like that, or if these are the prime factors means we will write 5 2 3 or 3 2 5 or 2 5 3. Okay, like that the order only will be changed. Okay, otherwise the factorization is unique. Okay, so every natural number except 1 can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. The factorization is unique, it's always unique, and definitely it's a unique except for the order. The order only change. The the written way only changed. See, for example, I will teach you something. See, I am taking 84. The number is 84. See, okay. First, I am taking 2. Why, ma'am? Why I am taking 2 means, see, you have to see the last digit. Okay, if the last digit is even means, see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. These numbers means you will definitely you may take 2. Okay, definitely the number is divisible by 2. So the last digit is 4 here, so I am taking 2. So 2 times means 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again this is even, so I am taking 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. See now this is 31, this is 1, the 21 will come in the 3 table, so 7 3s are 21, 7 will come in 7th table only, so I am taking 7, so 1 7s are 7. Okay, see now the fact is the product of primes. See, product means multiple. See, 3 into 7, the product of prime factors. Okay, see, every natural number except 1 that we know, because 1 is prime, not composite, not a prime number. So every natural number can be factorized as a product of primes. See, this only the product of primes, because these all are the prime numbers only. So product means multiplication, product of primes. And this factorization is unique. See, this factorization, whatever way you will do means you will get these prime numbers only. For example, see, so now I am taking the same 84. If I am taking third table means 2 3s are 8, 6, remaining 2, 8 2s, 8 3s are 24. Now I am taking, I got 28. Now I can use 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 7, so 7 means 7. So now first I am here, now I got 3, then 2, then 2, then 7. Okay, see, first to the order, here I have written 3 2 2 7, here I have written 2 2 3 7. Okay, but the primes are same. Here also 2 2 1 3 and 1 7, here also 2 2 1 3 1 7. Okay, that is unique, that is always unique. The primes are always unique, but the order, the written order only changed. Okay, here I have written first 2 and 3 and 7, here 3 first, 2 2 7 coming next. The so except for the order in which the prime factors are written, okay, the written way only different. Okay, the order only different. See, this is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. See, I am having 2 more examples. See, I'm writing here 96. Okay, this is even number, so I took 2 248s are 96, and 2 24s are 48, and 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, and 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. Okay, here 4 2s, 5 2s and 1 3, like that. So here, see, last number 0 means you can take 5 or 2. Okay, 2 5, like that. Okay, you will get 0 in 5th table also and 2 table also. See, first, but here I took 2, so 2 25s are 50. If you get the last digit is 5 means definitely you can use 5th table. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. So factors are 2 into 5 into 5. Product of primes is 2 5 5, like that. Here 32, you may use 2 table. Here 35, you may use 5th table because the last digit is 5. So 5 7s are 35. 7 means you definitely you have to use the 7th table, because 7 will get in 7th table only. So 1 7s are 7. This, so yeah, I understood, you understood this fundamental. I hope you understood this fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Thank you.